Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox video, and today we're going to be checking out another one of your guys' solar systems. So today we've got a simulation from Phoenix to check out, so without further ado, let's get right into the action. So should already be on the workshop, but we actually have a second bonus system to check out as well, so we'll hop into that one after we've cleared this first one. So the first one is, so this is the Yeord system, probably Yeeward, that's it. Okay, so let's get it in here. Oh, it just moved. Right, there we go. Let's see what Phoenix has got for us here. Okay. So knowing Phoenix, there's going to be a lot of names that I'm not going to be able to say. As you can see, he's given me the pronunciations, which is very useful. Right, we will make an attempt at it. So the Yeeward system is a system around a yellow dwarf star, very similar to the Sun. It has 10 planets, but strangely no planets within an astronomical unit of the star. This and the star's unusually fast rotation leads scientists to conclude that Yeeward is a product of a merger between a pair of close binary stars. Many planets and moons in the system have liquid oceans of various types. Very cool. Note the letter E with that accent on it represents the vowel sound made by a in about. Okay, right, cool. Right, so where are we? So the first of the planets. So we got Vunile here. So a very thick atmosphered world. Okay, so a moonless super Venus on the brink of capturing gas and becoming an ice giant. It has extremely thick atmosphere hiding a hellish surface. Check it out underneath. There you go. Look like a pretty beaten up surface there as well. Cool. Alright, so there's that guy. Pretty large in mass and radius as well. Look, 2 masses of Earth, almost 10 in mass, I should say, and almost 2 in radius, 10 in mass. Right, yeah, go. I don't know why I suddenly thought mass and radius were the other way around though. Right, anyways, moving on. So, next up we got Miraz. With the accent, that's got the accent on it. A hot, dry Mars-like desert planet with 2 moons. So there we go, and then its moon's there. And the second one over here. Okay. So there's both of those guys. Cool. Okay, next up we've got Hyuvin. So moving on over here. Check it out, alrighty. A gas giant that was scattered inwards by the other 3, causing it to capture the retrograde habitable moon, La Sortuli. It has 4 moons and a ring system. So that's the habitable moon over here. Very nice. Let's check it out. Look at the stats. Always like a little look at the stats there. Cool. 92 and 46. Sweet. Very heavily ocean as well. You can see there's a bit of land in there, but mostly ocean. Cool view of the parent planet as well from here. Let's get a little look from the surface. Is that enough to see? Oh, I like that as well. There you go. Yeah, that's cool. Let's get a little closer to the gas giant. We should be able to see him now. Oh yeah, very nice. Cool. And then it's also got some other moons as well. Pretty frozen looking moons there too. Okay. Cool. So there are those guys. Next up we got Erudosi. See, I'd normally say that Erudosa, but he's put as Erudosi. S-E? I'm not sure, honestly. I'm not. Honestly, I don't know how to say the bit with the accent, to be honest. So there it is. Okay. So where are we? So another flight planet with 3 moons. Let's check this guy's stats as well. 94 and 76, very nice. Okay, it's got 1 over here, first moon. And second moon there. And lastly, the third moon over here. Very nice. And next up we got Tu Kivu. Mars-sized tundra planet with 5 moons and a dense ring system. Tilts over on its side like Uranus, it has an ice belt around its equator instead of ice caps over its poles. Very cool. Yeah, that is pretty awesome. Always cool to see a tilted object like this. Stat-wise, 84 and 33, not too shabby. Okay. And there are its moons. So they're a very, very minor one. That was very close as well. Looks like the ring system may be missing though. Look, dense ring system. I mean, we can quickly try and add that back. Just to, maybe you deleted it by accident, but let's just quickly, you know, add just a basic system just to represent what he's saying. So we'll just go to the 2 to 4 radius one. Oh, I can't get to the button. No, I can't do it because this is in the way. Oh no. I mean, I guess we can quickly just add the ring. Yeah, see, that button wouldn't really be visible, but it probably looks something like... See, where are the rings? It's not actually adding them. Oh, no, they are there. No, they're just very, very dim. Hang on, let me just go. Let's just reopen it. Since we closed the menu anyway. Let's just have a look again and just change the flashlight mode, because it's probably because we're too dim that we can't see them rather than not being there at all, actually. So we just go in there, because, yeah, they were completely invisible. I did not even see them if they were there. So let's have a look again. Go on, game, load me in. Right, so where were we? So, yeah, we were over here, weren't we? Right, so let's actually change the lighting mode. So, oh, they are. They were there the whole time. Okay, right. Not that much wrong. What am I doing? No flashlight. It's because we need. There you go. That's more like it. And then realistic. There you go. It's because we were on the realistic lighting. Sweet. Well, there's a good look at how it should look, and it look. Oh my god, it looks so much better with the rings on its side. Yeah, that is cool. And then down here, another moon. You can see there's some sort of asteroid belt that's showing up now. We've changed the lighting mode as well. Cool, cool. So a lot of generic sort of regular moons here. Cool. That rocky planet has quite a lot of moons, doesn't it, actually? Quite large in size. Right, so there's an asteroid belt. Next up, we're heading to this one over here. Zozek. This one has a cool ring system as well. Okay. A Jupiter-sized planet with 4 major moons in a ring system, including one with ammonia oceans. Okay. So, first of the moons. So I'm guessing here's your Io equivalent, going by the yellow colour theme. Looking pretty volcanic looking. Then we got okay, Europa looking world. Alrighty. Cool. Then next up we got the methane ocean ones. This is your Titan, I guess, around this object. That'll be the closest you can compare it to. So there you go. Very nice. That must be the one with the ammonia oceans. And then lastly we got this one over here. Looking good. Cool, like that. Right, next up we have got this one, Scyphex. Lots of rings going on here. Alrighty, that's why the sim took a while to open. Probably because it's got to generate all the rings again. Okay, so this one is a super Jupiter with 9 major moons and a large ring system, including one that, like Titan, has methane oceans and another oceans of Mercury. Nice. Liquid Mercury oceans. Oh, wow. Okay, so first of the moons, got one in the ring system here. That could be the cause of that ring system if it got Rouge Limit destroyed. Then we got this one here. Kind of reminds me of Enceladus with the blue patches on it. That's probably his inspiration behind there. Then we got Yaiden. Cool. This must be the one with like Titan with the oceans. Or is it? No, that's just a blue surface. Okay. Interesting. Got another one over here with the atmosphere. There's your oceans. Yeah, nice. Cool. And then we've got two more. More generic looking moons there. So there's one and then two over there. Sweet. We got more over here. So let's see further out ones. And then, yeah, okay. Sweet. Looking good. Alright, next up we're moving on to Unarian. Or Yonarin. Saturn-sized ice giant with 5 major moons in a ring system, including one similar to giant Pluto. Quite a nice shade of blue he's put on there as well, actually. Looking good. So the moons are looking fairly more simple. Cool. That must be the one closest to Pluto, I'm guessing. I don't know, actually. Trying to spot the one that has the texture. It looks like Pluto, but it may be that one. Let's go back through them all as well. But obviously, there's a lot more regular rocky worlds here than anything, you know, really fancy. So there they are there. Very nice. Okay. Next up, we've got Piaggio, which is this one over here. This one's got an atmosphere on it. Hey, check that out. Pretty frozen up. An Earth-sized planet with liquid nitrogen oceans and a binary companion and 3 other moons. So there's this other planet there. Cool, hey. I like. And then lastly, the one over here. Greener moon there. Pretty cool. And we got this one here. Looking good. Very nice indeed. And then I think lastly is Yori, which is this one over here. A Mars-sized planet with 1 moon. An icy Mars. Well, I quite like the visuals of the moon with the craters, actually. That's quite a cool design he's put there. What textures are that? 15 and 4. Yeah, Planet 15 is always a good one to use, I have to say. And then he's put 4 with it. Nice. Cool, and there we go. So that is the, let's go back to the top. The Yiwad system. Or Yiwad system. So there you go. There's your lineup. Just quickly get rid of those. So there we are. That's definitely the nicest of the gas giants. But I am biased because I like the colour blue more. There we go. And then there's the lineup of the Rockies. All the way down here. Onto the smaller moons. All the way to the bottom. So there we go. So that's the first of the systems. And then there's this bonus system that they sent we can check out. So we'll hop straight in there. So this is the Vilas system. Let's go straight in here. Let's have a look. Okay. Non-canon. This system, the star system that Vilas takes place in. Right, okay. So this is a bonus. Right, so what do we got here? So we've got the star itself. First of the planets. Mercury looking like rock. All grey. Next up we got a Venus-like world. Maybe we're following the trend here. Are they all going to be like the solar system stuff? So that one's very similar to the one we saw in the other system, isn't it? The Super Venus. It's different in mass and radius, though. Next up we got a... not an Earth-like world. What do we got here? So it has got an all ocean underneath. Very thick atmosphere, though. 166 degrees. Very, very hot oceans there. Ooh. Okay. Next up we got Tau over here. 182 degrees here. This one's very weird. Ooh, got an eclipse going on as well. Got some sort of pink ice or snow there. A few little patches of water as well. City lights to boot. Nice. Also has some moons. Susanoo. And then the other moon here, which is currently doing the eclipse. Cool. Okay, moving on, we've got Hashiman over here. There's your Mars lookalike. And next up we have got some, objects roughly where the asteroid belt would normally be if this was the solar system, in that region. It still looks like he's following a similar sort of look to the solar system with this visually. You can see Uranus, Neptune shades. You got that big orange and yellow for Saturn in there, but there's definitely more objects than our solar system, so yeah, interesting. Next up we got this. This is a gas giant. Okay, it looks very similar to Jupiter actually, quite a basic looking Jupiter style, but looks good nonetheless. Next up we have got this one here, which I'm guessing maybe more like a Saturn maybe. Has it got rings tilted on its side maybe? It is tilted on its side. Okay. More mass than Saturn though. Next up we got this one here. So we've got another gas giant in here with a greener shade. Looks quite similar to the one we looked at previously. Then moving on to the bluer ones now. So now moving into more Uranus looking like object. There you go, very pale in colour as well, like the real Uranus. And then I'm guessing we got two more. So we got a lighter coloured version of it now, tilted on its side. So there's your actual Uranus equivalent, I'm guessing. So there's a few objects obviously filled in between. And then lastly we got the Neptune shaded object at the edge here. Roughly at the distance of Neptune as well, on the semi-major axis there, 30 AU. 29.6, 30 AU. And then lastly, I'm guessing we got a Pluto-like world over here. Cool. And there it is. That's the bonus system. So definitely a lot of inspiration from our own solar system. But yeah, I'll see a few extra gas giants which have been slotted in between the Uranus and Saturn orbits in the middle there. So that green one and then that lighter blue here. These ones. These two are definitely the sort of extras that have been added in. And you got the Uranus, the Neptune, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. So there we are. That does it for both of these systems. We'll get the lineup as well. Nicely done. So there they all are. Cool. But yeah, again, guys, massive thank you to Phoenix for sending this in. I enjoyed that. That was very, very nice. Obviously, two systems today as well, because I sent the bonus one in too, which is pretty cool. But anyways, with that all said and done, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Helps on the journey to 32,000 now. We're on the way to 40, as we hit 31 recently. So massive, massive thank you to everyone who has helped us on the journey thus far. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you keep enjoying my videos. But yeah, with that all said and done, make sure you guys all have a great day. Stay safe out there. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.